Hey there, Fano here. Today we're going to try a little bit of buttercream icing, a rose, which is 1 to 2 by weight, so 50 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of icing sugar and 1 tablespoon of milk. Let's jump in. The butter, and then you slowly add your icing sugar and your milk. Glaze icing, just a simple icing of icing sugar and a tiny bit of slightly warmed water. That's going to cover this cake. Here we have the buttercream icing, and they talk about, can it hold a peak? See, like it holds its shape, it doesn't fall down. Hi babe!
Hi love, now we're putting some sprinkles on.
So, either buy a flower nail, or if you can, 3D print a flower nail. YouTube how to prep a piping bag, an icing piping bag. Put a little bit on there and you stick a piece of grease-proof baking paper onto there. And we're going to have there's going to be a cone in the middle. The initial leaves are going to be angled slightly inwards, and gradually, by the time we come to the outside, they'll be angled outwards. You go with the thin side to the top and the thick side to the bottom. Here we go, cone first. Fingers crossed, ready, set, go. Okay, there's a little cone. So now I overlap the leaves slightly. I kind of stop it there, go again. Overlap them. I'm still angled inwards slightly. Okay, now we're up to vertical now. I'm just a beginner, by the way. And we're going to start angling outwards in a minute. Overlapping. See that I'm starting to angle the piping bag slightly outwards. And suddenly we are nearly done, believe it or not.
What a beautiful rose.
Thank you, Maromo. So it's kind of easy and kind of very difficult. And there we go. YouTube for the real experts doing it. But there you go. For now, there's my rose.
So now it's the letters.
Things, obviously I had red and green food colouring. There's the Kronia Pola for me. In Greek, I need to work on my lettering, maybe in another video. This sets on this paper, and at the end you take it off the paper, you slide it off the paper with a knife at the very end. But for now we're going to let it set. Let's try the leaves. This is the nozzle you need for making leaves, and it goes something like this. I've only got one shot at this. Here we go, you ready? Steady.
Very good.
Thank you. I only learned the other month.
Great, love.
And there we go. That's it. So there we go. I've made my name day cake. In Greece we celebrate our name day. So here this says Kronia Pola, or congratulations from 2022. I put the rose and the leaves into the fridge. They set. I slid them off the baking paper with a knife. And that's my name day cake. And many thanks to my wife Olga for all the help and great camera work. And thanks for watching, and goodbye, and check that out.